Hi everyone, welcome to IT channel. I'm Young and we're studying had you with me today about the way you can unlock web performance. This is called server timing header. So if you don't know what is server timing header, let's take a look. This is a document from mdnsmozilla.org and the by time in 2023, this feature already available on almost browser. If you use the latest version, you already had this feature. And the syntax here is quite simple. So if you're on the server side on API, you return the server timing on the response, at the response. And you can give the message, for example, you can say, you give a message and without the value, for this case, miscatch, or you only has one value on the server timing. You can use CPU duration 214. So this is only one. And if you have more than one, you can use colon celebrate this here. Like you have two matches with the value, you can use db duration, and this is the first pair of the value, and the second pair up and duration. And another key you can send to the browser that is data depression. And this is the browser compatibility. This is the version you see almost checking every browser, even on mobile. So you're gonna see this fully supports on almost major browser right now. The issue if you use our browser or with our version, you don't see this, but that's not okay at most as at the time right now, because we are in almost like mid of 2024. And the demo for today, I create a simple version API with Honor. This demo here, I'm gonna open this browser. So I deploy this to Honor. So if I open this, and you can see this is Hello Honor. So the key here you can open, and this is my only one IP endpoint. That's the get GitHub user by on my username. If I open this one, I need to open this is the network tab. So now if I go to the API root, and this is the response when I give the username. So this is the response from GitHub API. And on the request here, this is the request, and you often you see the header preview response, but at the end you have the timing tab, or what you call it, maybe a tab or panel. And this is the server timing I had GitHub API. So it's I measure the call from the server to GitHub API, and it takes 340 milliseconds to get the response. And I can have another metric. So, for example, the actually would mean Singapore, where I'm living right now. On this repo, it be on Honor, and you can use burn or use anything you want. For example, this I deployed to Deno, so I had the Deno file for the configuration. But the logic is quite simple. I'm gonna show you right away. This on this image here, and there yes endpoint, and we had API slash GitHub slash dash colon username. So you get the username from parameter, then you can set a custom matrix. And when you want to measure something, you can use start time and end time. And the parameter here, the context, where you calling. So this is GitHub dash API. And when you start and end, we got a nice timing response here. And at the end, you have total response time on the resource. So just to recap, because I already mentioned about what is server timing, but on this repo, if you don't want to look up over NVM resource, you can see this one and you get the idea. What is server timing? So this is response header. So it will provide you the performance metrics. So this is the way server side tell browser what you return. So what is the use case here? You can want something like this one if you had performance issue and you want to debug which one is fast, which is slow, why it happen, and you also you want monitor performance between the endpoint or between the server, or you have two API endpoint, version 1 and version 2. You can use this, or you want by matches. And the uses here is quite simple. I use Hono, but if you look over the repo here, it calls server timing had a task here. If you click on the tab, it will open a lot of similar demo. So this is the Express server. So you want use Express server, you can use this package. Or this is Rail, and this is .NET. So this concept already there. A lot of people using this one on their API. So I encourage you to try this out and let me know if you have any question about this topic. All right. Thank you, everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.